Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button, also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
The obedient movement started predominantly as a movement of only youths. And it was through these youths that the understanding of Peter Obi being the best candidate was spread. Now that is the method Tinubu and APC are now trying to deploy to win Nigerians to their side as we await the judgment of the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal. Now Tinubu, in a video that I'm going to show you shortly, gathered some youths and was telling them to go out and begin to tell people that he is a good man, that he cares. And you know, behind the cameras, he's going to give these youths money to carry out that assignment. What a world. What a world. But before I show you that video, let me quickly show you this video of Senator Shehu Sani condemning the ministerial list of Tinubu. He said nobody who means well will include El Rufai in his ministerial list.
But with the nomination which you have seen, the one that represented Kaduna State Nasir El-Rufai is a tragedy. That such a man is given an opportunity again to serve this country with all that he has done and all that he has said in office. And I don't think if President Tinubu mean well, it is not the best time to please and appease from our governors. It's the best time to appease the Nigerians and to bring in competent hands that will deliver. As far as I'm concerned, that list, to some large extent, is a big disappointment. It is none that has been able to meet the expectation and taking the time which it has taken for those names to come out.
You have heard him. Nobody who means well for this country will make El Rufai a minister in his cabinet. And we are not surprised. We know those who mean well and those who don't mean well. We know. Now, let me show you the video where Tinubu gathered some youths and began to brainwash them that he cares so much about Nigeria. They should go out and tell their fathers and uncles. See the video here.
I beg you to spread your understanding. Talk to your parents, uncles, and relatives that this president cares. Cares dearly for the economic benefit and welfare of this country. It is very difficult.
It's your boy Nice, aka Tapson Next Month. I'll be in Germany August 5th, 2023.
But for people, yes, I understand. I feel your pains. I feel their pains. But we have to go through this for us to survive the economic downturn.
You have heard him. He said he cares. And when you hear the next item on this news, you will be shocked that this man is saying he cares. You care. Now you carry 70 billion naira, give National Assembly. But when it came to the masses, you said 8,000 naira for one household. He's trying to copy the scenario that played out for His Excellency Peter Obi. What he has forgotten is that Obi's own was organic. He didn't need to trick people. No money exchanged hands. It was with pure intention. The thing just they fly, they go on its own. Why? Because God hand dey inside. No be this wuru where una they do for APC. Now, let me hit you with the next item on this news. They have now come out to say, as fuel don't cost, say make Nigerians try leave motor, make them start the ride bicycle. He's telling Nigerians to begin to consider the use of bicycles. The same man who was seen driving in a fleet of cars, about 124 cars, when he returned into Nigeria from France. Now you are telling others to go and be riding bicycle, and you say you care about them. And when he saw that the youths were not buying into all these lies, he now came up with a bigger lie, just to shut them up so that the calls for disqualification, will calm down. He said, youths, don't worry. I am going to talk to microfinance banks and I will tell them to give you loans. Oh! We are talking of unemployment. You are talking of giving loans. When you give loans to unemployed people, how are they going to repay the loans? Look at how difficult the economy is now to navigate around the economy. So expensive. How do people start businesses with the little money they have? Those are the issues on ground. And you are still talking about loans. What kind of lack of ideas syndrome has bedeviled these people? And after all these promises, the youths refused to be deceived. They came out smoking in the comment section. Look at some of the tweet reactions. This one said, we don't need your loan. We need you to return the stolen mandates. You can't, with all these complexities in your life, be promising what you can't give. You APC are by default wicked and enemies of the citizens. Oh! And this tweet says, waiting they really worry this man. This man thinks that what we want is a temporal palliative money that will finish in 30 minutes. He doesn't get it. You can see that he doesn't still understand why he wasn't voted. They don't have a clue. And this tweet says, he does everything by fiat. Ask who to grant loans. Just like that? Shake my head. But that's what you expect from a military regime. No. They call them military regime. And this tweet says, we don't need your loans. That's the only thing they know. How to find way to bribe and shut people up. Oh, Nigerians don't get sense. Finish. And this tweet says, Tinubu is promising everything he could just to legitimize his illegitimate position. Yeah. And this tweet says, student loan, farmers loan, youth loan, them use loan, do you? In other news, there are a lot of things that APC has done, to try to change the way Nigerians see His Excellency Peter Obi. The sad thing for them is they have never succeeded in all their plans. But the funny thing for me is they don't put any intelligence into their efforts at all. Because it always takes obedience, minutes, to expose all their lazy plans. Recently, they wanted to allege that Obi was responsible for the violence going on in the southeast. So they took a picture of Obi advertising a book written by this man, Suraj Oyewale, this man. Then they photoshopped the picture. They removed Suraj's picture and put Simon Ekpa's picture. And it didn't take 20 minutes before Obedience dug out the original picture and exposed them. And each time they try to tarnish Obi's image, he becomes stronger in the media. And that's how you know a man that is called by God to do something great. You go see, say, the whole obedient movement, the way it started, the way it spanned out, and the way it was embraced by people, you go realize that, Kai, this thing, now the grace of God, now the hand of God, now they move this thing. And in a space of 9 months, we started a movement and we won the election. Even PDP people don't come out, confess, say, Kai, na LP, na him win this thing. But Yakub Mahmoud come bring in Wala come. Oh, that man. But still on still, he never spoil. How? Because Yakub Mahmoud actually did a very, very poor job. If you look at the way the man take do that wuru-wuru for that election, you begin to doubt if this man actually is a genuine professor. Because he left too many stones unturned. Now so in Yash open, yakata. And that is why there is so much evidence before the court, before the judiciary. And we are saying All eyes on the judiciary. Make una do the right thing. Pass judgment according to the dictates of the constitution and the electoral laws. And we dey expect earnestly say una go do am like that. For the sake of those of us wey dey this country now, and for the sake of the children yet unborn.
Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mummies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all. Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mummies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.